Managing servers and applications doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll walk you through the CloudRaptor dashboard step by step, so you know exactly where everything is and how to use it. After signing in, you're automatically taken to the dashboard. This is your main control panel where you get a live overview of your entire infrastructure. From here, you can monitor servers, applications, and system activity, all in one place. At the top, you'll see summary cards like active servers, applications, total servers, and projects. These are not just numbers. Each one is clickable. For example, clicking on Servers takes you directly to the server's dashboard, where you can manage all your machines. Next is the Quick Actions section. This is where you perform your most common tasks. You can connect a new server, deploy a new application, or create a project, all without leaving the dashboard. This is especially useful when you want to move fast and skip navigation steps. Below that, you'll find the Recent Servers panel. This shows the most recently used or created servers. Each server displays its name, IP address, and current status, like active. If you click on a server, it opens the detailed server view where you can manage it further. Right next to it is the Recent Applications panel. It shows your latest apps along with their type, for example WordPress, and their current status. Clicking any application takes you directly to its overview page. Now let's go to the server's dashboard from the sidebar. This page shows all your servers in one place. Each server includes details like status, IP address, CPU, RAM, and disk size. At the top, you can search servers by name or filter them by project. You can also click New Server to launch a new one instantly. For each server, Quick Actions allow you to check app count, refresh status, or control power options like restart. Next, go to the Applications dashboard from the sidebar. Here, you'll see all deployed applications across your servers. Each entry shows the application name, type, associated server, and domain. You can open the app, access settings, or delete it using the action icons. At the top, you can search, filter by project, or add a new application. Now let's open the Projects dashboard. Projects help you organize your infrastructure into groups, for example, by client or environment. Each project shows how many servers and applications it contains. You can click View to see details, or edit and delete the project if needed. And from the top right, you can create a new project anytime. The interface is fully responsive and uses dynamic counters that update in real time, so you always see the latest system status. CloudRaptor keeps everything centralized, so you can manage servers, applications, and projects efficiently from a single dashboard.